Let's start with what Vagaro is. At its core, Vagaro is an all-in-one business management software designed for salons, spas, fitness studios, and other health and wellness businesses. Think of it as a central hub where you can manage appointments, process payments, handle client information, run marketing campaigns, and even manage your payroll and inventory. It's a comprehensive system aiming to simplify daily tasks and free up your time. One of Vagaro's biggest selling points is its extensive feature set. They really do pack a lot in. You get a robust online appointment booking system that allows clients to book directly through your website, the Vagaro Marketplace, Google, Facebook, or Yelp. This multi-channel booking is a huge plus, making it super convenient for your clients to find and book with you. Imagine someone searching for a massage therapist on Google, seeing your listing with a Book Now button, and instantly scheduling an appointment. That's the kind of seamless experience Vagaro aims to provide. Beyond just booking, Vagaro offers powerful calendar management. You can view multiple employee schedules at once, use drag-and-drop functionality to reschedule appointments, manage double bookings, and even set up recurring appointments. This level of control over your schedule is invaluable for busy service providers. They've also implemented features like gap processing time, allowing you to book additional appointments during a service when a client doesn't need constant attention, a clever way to maximize your time and revenue. Client management is another area where Vagaro shines. It allows you to create detailed client profiles, storing contact information, tracking visit history, product purchases, and even loyalty program data. You can add notes about client preferences or allergies, and with HIPAA compliance for SOAP notes, it's suitable for wellness practices that need to securely manage health information. This depth of client data helps you offer personalized service and build stronger relationships, which ultimately leads to better client retention. Now, let's talk about the money side of things. Vagaro integrates seamlessly with payment processing, supporting in-person and online credit card payments, including Apple Pay and Google Pay. This eliminates the need for separate payment terminals and simplifies your checkout process. They also offer features for managing invoices, setting up cancellation fees, and handling recurring subscriptions for memberships or packages. This all-in-one approach to finances can be a real time saver. Marketing is crucial for any business, and Vagaro provides a suite of tools to help you reach your clients. You can set up automated email and SMS marketing campaigns for promotions, newsletters, or even birthday greetings. They have a drag-and-drop email editor to help you create professional-looking communications. Plus, being listed on the Vagaro Marketplace can expose your business to new clients searching for services in their area, essentially free advertising. This marketplace exposure is a significant draw for many businesses. Beyond these core functionalities, Vagaro offers other useful features like comprehensive business reports to track payroll, inventory, and appointment trends. They integrate with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making your financial reconciliation much easier. You can even use Vagaro to build a custom website for your business, integrated directly with their booking and payment systems. For businesses offering classes, Vagaro provides robust support for managing class schedules and registrations, including live streaming capabilities. So, it sounds pretty great, right? A feature-rich, all-in-one solution. However, like any software, Vagaro isn't without its considerations. One common piece of feedback is the initial learning curve. With so many features packed into the platform, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to digital business management tools. While Vagaro offers extensive tutorials and support articles, mastering all its capabilities takes time and effort. Some users have also reported that the interface can sometimes feel a bit slower than some of its more premium competitors, and occasional glitches can occur. Another point that often comes up is that clients need to create a Vagaro account to book appointments. While this can be convenient for clients who already have a Vagaro account from booking with other businesses, some new clients might find it an extra step they don't want to take. For businesses aiming for a completely branded client experience without any third-party account creation, this might be a minor drawback. Pricing is another area to consider. While Vagaro is often lauded for its affordability given the number of features, the base price starts at around $30 per month for a single bookable calendar. The cost increases with additional staff members, typically by $10 per month per user. What's important to note are the additional costs for certain premium features. Things like a branded mobile app, the website builder, online shopping cart, and specific forms can all incur extra monthly fees. So, while the base price is competitive, the final monthly bill can add up if you opt for many of these add-ons. It's crucial to look at your specific needs and calculate the total cost before committing. When comparing Vagaro to alternatives, it often stands out for its comprehensive nature at a relatively affordable price point. Competitors like MindBody might offer more advanced features for larger, more complex operations, and potentially deeper integrations, but often come with a higher price tag and a steeper learning curve. Fresha is another popular option, often cited for its user-friendliness and free base plan, but it might not offer the same depth of features as Vagaro. Gloss Genius often appeals to independent beauty professionals with its sleek, intuitive interface, but might be less suitable for multi-location businesses or those needing extensive reporting. Ultimately, is Vagaro a good booking app? For many service-based businesses, absolutely. It offers a powerful, all-in-one solution that can significantly streamline operations, improve client experience, and help with marketing and growth. It's particularly well-suited for small to mid-sized businesses that want a robust set of features without breaking the bank and are willing to invest a little time in learning the platform. The client marketplace is a definite bonus for attracting new customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.